In my previous video, I demonstrated the definition of preposition and uses of on, at and in with some examples. Welcome once again in English grammar class. Today I will teach you the uses of prepositions above, under, over and below. Let's get started. Hey guys, do you know what is the difference between above and over? Both these prepositions imply a position or location that is higher than something else, but they have specific difference. When we say over, it conveys a sense of movement as well as sense of covering a large area. As in this example, the plane flies over the sea. The plane is covering a large area and it is also showing a movement as shown in the pic. And above is used when we want to say that something is higher than another object. I could see smoke above the trees. Smoke is above the tree, but it is not directly perpendicular to the trees. So above represents something at a place higher than another person or object, and over represents something that is directly upward the another person or object. It is not used with numbers. Let's understand this with example. She lives in the flat above and you can come over my place. In this sentence, you might have observed that the word above is used to denote something upward and over denotes a situation or condition. Now let's see the differences between above and over. Above is used when there is no contact between the two objects, and over is used when there is contact between the two objects. Above is not very much used with numbers, and over is often used with numbers. Above only indicates the location and over indicates location as well as motion. Above does not imply movement from one location or position to another, while over implies movement from one location or position to another. Now let's understand the difference in the uses of under and below. There is a very much little difference between under and below. They are the both prepositions meaning something lower or less than something else. Under is preferred when something is covered by what is over it. For example, he was wearing a blue shirt under his sweater. The cat is under the bed. While below is preferred when one thing is not directly under the another. For example, the sun disappeared below the horizon. In the measurement of temperature and height, we use either below or above. For example, the temperature is 5 degrees below 0. To mean less than or younger than, we use under, and to mean more than or elder, we use over. You can't get a driving license if you are under 18. So dear students, it's now your practice time. Here are some worksheets for your practice. Read the questions carefully. Look at the pictures carefully and write your answers in the comment box or in your notebook. Till the next class, happy learning to all of you.